Lambda runtimes is a pre-configured environment to run specific programming languages. Runtimes are useful since it doesn't require you to configure a container or OS configuration. Runtimes are fully managed and are security hardened by AWS. That's a good reason why to use these Lambda runtimes. But originally, that's all there was runtimes. We never was able to do containers, but now we can do containers on Lambda. Lambda runtimes are released as stable programming languages are released. Older runtimes are deprecated, which will force you to upgrade your Lambdas and their code to run on more recent runtime versions. This AWS sells as a feature or a benefit. I find it a pain in the butt because you'll have something running on Node.js and then there's a newer version of it and you don't feel like upgrading, but then you're forced to. Depends on your language. Ruby's not so bad. But here's an example of us choosing our runtime while launching a function. And you can see here we're using runtime Ruby 3.2. A runtime will specify a named version. So here we have Node.js version 20, an identifier, which is what we use programmatically. You can see that there on the left-hand side. The runtime we're providing there is the identifier, not necessarily the name. It will have a specific operating system it uses, and you'll have to look that up to see which one. Code is delivered as a zip archive when using Lambda runtimes. You don't use runtimes with containers because the container is defining the runtime environment, okay?